Okay, we are logged in, and this is what you will see when you first log in. This is your main dashboard. The things you want to focus on would be on the left here, would be your pages. And right here you have your full list. This is your home page. So we can go to the edit section here, kind of go through some things. Let's say we want to add an image in here. We would click in Add Media. We can have the ability to just drop and drag something from the desktop or a folder and bring it in here, or we can select files and upload them, or you can put something in existing, for example, and you have the ability to align it center, left, right, none. You can adjust the size and bring it down if you like. So for example, I just did this, and what it did was it just brought it in and text wrapped around the image here. If I would have done right, it would have shifted it over here on the right side. Now if I wanted to add a link, for example, let's say I wanted this to go to the residential page or something, or a different page or something like that, I would just click or I want to go to service page. Let's say I would just click here, and I can send it here to the service page by just clicking here, and it'll populate the page, or I can put a different unique URL in right there. Hit cancel, and if I wanted to remove that link, there's going to be this break link here. So as you can see, if I highlight this one, I could change this and go to a different location, estimate, request, contact us. So for example, if I wanted to link this one to the estimate page, I could do that, and that would be linked up. I click update right here to update the page, and go back here to the list of pages. And for example, like say services page, let's say I wanted to remove this image, put another image, I would just click delete here, then I would add media in the same fashion that we did the other one. And that's pretty much it for that. Contact forms, I already have the email address in there. And then if you wanted to add users, for example, you could add a new user here, put a username, email, password, and then you can put them as a contributor or administrator, editor, author. So all these will eliminate. So like an editor can edit, administrator can do everything, an author can just write, and a contributor can just upload files. So, and that's pretty much it as far as the basics. With that, we can go over here to the widgets. So I would go to appearance and widgets, and this is where you're going to find some of the other stuff that you might be looking for on the home page. For example, if you needed to edit something here with the services, and this links up, close this here. So this is like the estimate request, this is the content that's in there, this is where the page it goes to. For example, this is the image here that's displaying on that center tab, which is in between these quotations. But if you ever need help editing this, it's a little bit more tricky. But basically, this is the URL of the image, and to get that URL, you would just go over here to the media, for example, and so in here you'll have your library, and here's the file URL. So if I wanted to put that URL in there, for example, I could go ahead and do that by going back to the widgets, going to the center area, and then replacing it right in between these quotations, like so. But, okay. And that is pretty much it. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.